And over to Delta State, the State Assembly has commiserated with the Nigerian Army and the families of the 17 soldiers killed in Okuama community in Ogele South local government area of Delta State. It also called on Governor Sharif Obedewori to investigate, arrest and prosecute all those responsible for the dastardly act. The lawmakers who supported the resolution appealed to the military not to embark on reprisal attacks. The Speaker of the Assembly, Honorable Gua Imamotimi, urged the members of the Committee on Compliance to liaise with the executive and ensure that they had full compliance with the resolution.
Deeply commiserate with the families of the slain soldiers and the Nigerian Army. Call on the Governor of Delta State, His Excellency Right Honorable Sheriff Francis Obedewori, to urge relevant government security agencies to investigate, arrest and prosecute all those who carried out these dastardly acts in line with applicable laws of the state, constitute a commission of inquiry to investigate and unravel the immediate and remote causes of the crisis between Okuama community in Ogele South and the Okuama community in Bomani local government areas, and put in place measures to protect the elderly men, women, children, and vulnerable persons who have suffered untold hardship and loss of property and their livelihood in the Okuama community. Say aye. Those that can say the hands up.
The House then observed a minute silence for the fallen military officers.
In honor of the fallen heroes who went for a peace mission in Okuama community, be given an honor of 1 minute silence by this House. Departed soldiers at Okuama community and those who died innocently rest in perfect peace.